So we are coming to the end of the year now. The nights are drawing in. It's very cosy in here for once. And we're also here to talk about actually the end of something else. Because we have decided that this year will be the last year of VIP Club. So we wanted to talk to you a little bit about VIP Club, or as I still call it, PDF Club. And it will always be PDF Club in my heart.
Yeah, we've been doing some reflecting, haven't we?
We have, yes, and we're going to reflect back on it a little bit because we're officially saying that VIP Club won't be coming back next year. And that doesn't mean to say that there's not more exciting things coming and exciting ways to get involved. But we just wanted to give it the gravitas of having a vlog.
Give it a moment.
It's been great.
It has
been many years, and we'll look into that in a minute. But all good things must come to an end.
I know. There's been lots of changes. Obviously, there's been lots of changes at So Over It over the last sort of maybe like 3 or 4 years, really. And this is just another one of those changes in the sort of like journey that we're going. So yes, VIP Club and PDF Club has been wonderful. And I think the positives has been interacting with so many people so much, seeing you guys get involved on Facebook groups, getting the cheeky early looks at patterns and getting excited, and then that makes us excited. There's been so many wonderful aspects of it, but like Alma said, good things must come to an end sometime. So we're going to reflect back.
Look back, because I was surprised to hear how early the club started, actually.
Yeah, 2017.
That surprised me.
It's a long old time.
Yeah.
Oh, it's how many years?
7 years.
So to begin with, what prompted you, because Jemima and I weren't here.
No.
So what prompted So Over It to start what was then called the PDF Pattern Club?
Exactly that. So I only started at So Over It the year before.
Oh, okay, so quite fresh for you as well.
Fresh-faced I was at the time. And we released paper patterns, but that was the kind of main thing that we did. And we did classes, which would also have patterns in, and occasionally we did like kits with those patterns in. But then we started to, with more regularity, release PDF patterns. And at the time, PDF patterns were quite new in the sewing world. People maybe weren't convinced by them, they didn't understand them perhaps, and it was a way to help introduce people and the entire sewing world into the joy of PDF patterns.
See, I went straight into PDF.
Yeah.
For me, it's like,
I never knew a time.
No, I didn't know a time before PDFs. Same.
That's it. It was a bit of a learning curve, I think, for a lot of people. And like us in producing them as well. So that's where it came from, to like foster that love of PDFs and to be like, hey guys, printed patterns are great.
Yeah.
But also
PDFs are fab. You just have them in your inbox. You can print them anytime you want.
As many times as you want.
As many times.
That's the key.
Different sizes. Make a mistake. Doesn't matter. Print another one.
Exactly.
And it also coincided, I think, with the first year that we did 12 patterns.
Did it? Wow. Okay. So there was a time when it wasn't like this.
Exactly that. Yeah, I can't quite remember. I remember there was lots of kits. There would be new classes.
Okay.
Obviously there was the shop, the physical shop.
That's a big difference.
Two
as
shops?
Well.
Two shops.
Yeah.
Had the little one in Islington and Clapham at that time. And then there'd be classes, kits, and mostly printed patterns. So like your Elsie dress, your Penny dress, those kind of guys.
Cool.
That was our bread and butter, and then we started to move over to the PDF world. We could see that opening up, and we're like, let's go there. This is fun.
Let's get on that bus.
Exactly. And lots of people got on the bus with us.
Yay! Thanks also to PDF Club, I bet.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So the idea was that people would get early releases, or was that later on?
No, that was from the off, actually.
Okay, nice.
Got early releases. It used to be a week ahead.
Okay, nice.
So you'd have a week at VIP Club, and then a week later it'd be general release. The little discount to begin with, and also a free pattern.
Nice.
So that stayed
So
strong.
kind of the same.
The principles
of it.
Yeah,
exactly.
So because I think when I started working here, it was already called VIP Club. So when did that change happen?
That happened 2021.
Oh yeah, so the year I joined.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
the
for
year
both
you
of you
joined.
actually. Yeah.
Yes, but I was already a PDF Pattern Club member.
What?
Right,
That's
that's
so
my favourite.
cool.
Yeah, I like seeing the early releases.
Oh, I love
and now
that.
I get really early.
Yes, so early. Now you're looking at our May pattern.
Yeah. Exactly.
That is the ultimate dedication to the club.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like knowing the secret.
That's the only reason she's here.
Yeah.
Early release.
You really got me.
I love that.
Yeah, so I must have joined when it was PDF Club, so I think I joined in like 2018 or 19. something like that.
Yeah, that sounds about
Oh,
right.
that's
yeah.
sweet. I love that.
I used to look for the emails
Nice.
every month.
No, yeah,
cool.
it was always good. It was always thriving. I think we wanted to change it. Obviously, around that time, PDFs were a lot more the norm.
Yeah, because that is just that's
Well,
our bread and
what
butter now,
patterns were.
isn't it? Like PDF
Exactly
patterns
that.
they wouldn't make sense for it to be PDF Club because
No,
Just like
that's
that.
mostly what we sell. Yeah.
Okay,
The whole business is PDF.
Sure.
And then it changed to VIP Club, which was just like our little nod to saying, "Hey guys,
You're special."
you're VIPs."
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was just so lovely to know we had this group of customers that are in the VIP club that care about what we're doing, and it was so lovely to see their makes come up, and we care about what you're making as well.
Yes,
It was
absolutely.
lovely. But I have some facts
Facts. We love facts. We love numbers. So let's live facts.
and quiz.
Oh, quiz.
Also, I was seeing in my notebook. We also obviously we had the discounts and things like that throughout, but in the most recent years we've had free patterns. As well.
Yes.
So,
Yeah. That's really very exciting.
That's two
Yeah.
that we've had, isn't it? So this year has been Adele, and last year was the Selena skirt.
Selena
Yes.
skirt, yes,
Yeah.
both of which I've made multiple times,
Mhm.
and I
Super.
love
Proper
them.
wardrobe staple.
Proper
Yeah.
wardrobe staples. And then, so Selena was exclusive to VIPs in 2022, became available to everyone in 2023.
No.
No.
Later.
Later,
Yeah.
23 to 24.
Yeah.
That's it. And then the Adele top is still exclusively available to VIPs for 2024, but it will come to everyone next year in 2025.
Yeah.
Yes.
Something to look forward to if you haven't been part of the VIP club, because that little jersey top
Oh, it's
is
a gem.
so good.
And if you are part of the VIP Club and you haven't yet downloaded
download it, it's in your email.
You've got
Have a
it.
look.
Yeah.
I love the Adele top. But yeah, that was a really fun thing that I can't remember how we decided to do that or why.
I think we just wanted to give everyone an extra
little
treat.
boost.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Which it was, I think.
Yeah.
It really worked. So, facts. How many PDF/VIP members do you think we've had over the 7 years?
7 years.
Oh my gosh.
goodness. I don't know.
Quick maths, guys.
8,000.
Oh, I was going to say 10,000.
15,500.
15,000.
That is so many people.
That's so many.
Thank you to everyone who's been a
incredible.
part of it at any point. That's huge.
It's huge.
Wow.
So a lot of those people, obviously that's over the years.
So some people have stayed with us for 7 years.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
incredible. Gold
Which
star
is
for
like,
you
oh,
guys.
my heart.
That's beautiful.
So how many patterns do you think have been released since PDF Club started, which is so 2017, and
Yeah.
I'm including Stitch Schooly ones, so like your Drew hoodie, your Ellis joggers and stuff.
50.
I was 50. I'm going to go with 55.
So conservative.
It is a whopping 98 patterns.
Oh my gosh.
That's
Which
huge.
I literally can't fathom.
That's so...
8. That's a lot of patterns.
That's a lot of patterns.
So that's like... I'm trying to think
So-
proportionally to how many patterns we have.
That's
I
a
guess
big
it's
chunk
7
of it.
years.
It's a
Yeah.
huge chunk of it. Let me find my other...
That is a big chunk of it. You're right.
Sorry.
That's our most productive period, maybe.
Yeah, so the first... Here we go. First 2 years we did 12 patterns each. This is just releases, so not Stitch School
No,
kind of
okay.
stuff. First 2 years 12 patterns. 2019 we did 6. Rest whole year.
Interesting. What a lovely-
Easy.
It's very easy. Then 2020, 21, 22, 23 we did 12
Yeah.
a year.
Remember it well.
I remember it so well.
And then this year we did 8.
Yeah.
And then with the other ones on top, 98 patterns.
Wow.
That is huge.
Okay, next quiz
Oh gosh, I don't like this.
is give me some patterns that you think would be in the top 5 bestsellers. This is based on the first day of PDF Club, so this
Oh, the
So
released
for
it.
VIP
/VIP.
specifically,
yes,
Okay.
for the lovely people that are in PDF or
since
VIP.
2017,
Yeah.
the top. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of things.
That's
a lot of
98 to
things.
choose
That's
from.
a 98. Right, I'm
Okay.
gonna try and think of like last year. Let's see if I can pick one from last year.
I'm gonna go older, I think.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
I'm gonna think some
Estelle.
classics.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Estelle was good.
the Estelle dress, knit with a tie, lovely.
What
I feel like
else?
that
I
was
think
popular. That was really popular. Let's think of even older. I don't know.
Oh, what about Giselle? I feel like that was a good one.
Is that in that time frame? I thought it was older.
No, Giselle
was
was
2020.
2020. It's a COVID
it?
pattern.
I thought Giselle was way older. It
No,
feels so
photographed.
classic.
I know.
Originally photographed by Lisa Comfort's dad
Oh.
at their family home because we were all locked up.
So no photo
No
shoot.
photo shoots. He did suggest that we didn't need a photographer. We could just
We
use
could
him in the
just do it.
future.
Oh.
We might still do.
Jeremy?
Okay, Giselle, Estelle, we're going with the L.
Yeah.
What's something older, like pre-COVID, but not so old that it's pre-VIP Club?
Yeah. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, you've got to go pre your era.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
yeah.
going.
That's
But not as old as Betty, for
That's what I'm
example, 'cause
thinking.
That's
I don't-
super early. Oh, okay. How about actually Lillian? Not that old, but the
Okay.
Lillian blouse. So I'm going Estelle and Lillian, but also.
Okay, maybe should we go? Oh, you got one go.
But also.
Let's do one more. What's an old one? It's Pussy Bear Blouse is too old, isn't it?
Pussy Bear Blouse is too
Yeah.
old. Martha. Random.
Ooh, I remember
Martha,
the
Estelle. Martha was my first
I think
pattern that
it
we
was-
launched.
Oh, it was,
That's
wasn't
why
it?
I remember it.
Like
Yeah.
That was scary. Yeah. Morning. Welcome.
Launch
This is how we launch a pattern. I'm going to put Martha in there. Martha, Estelle, and I've got Lillian.
Lillian, yeah. Oh
I'm
my
going to say
god.
those three.
What was your first one? Giselle.
Giselle. That's my only one. What about Audrey? Was that in the
That was in-
Audrey, lovely.
Audrey?
That's nice. One more.
Do you like these ones?
Are you looking over there?
Yeah, I'm like, sorry, yeah, I'm distracted because I'm looking at the patterns for some inspiration.
Oh, Zadie?
I don't think it'll be Zadie.
No? Oh.
I'm trying to think older, and I literally every pattern
can't-
name
yeah,
has just vanished from my
There's
brain.
recent ones.
It's recent
Oh,
ones.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is in this year recent?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Winona.
Okay.
Okay, so Winona, Giselle.
Yeah.
That's
Not
it?
anymore.
No. I feel like you said an Audrey. There you
Oh, and
go.
Audrey, yeah.
Winona, Giselle, Audrey, Estelle, Lillian, Zadie.
Okay.
Okay.
You got 0 correct. But closest with Audrey was number 6.
Okay, interesting.
Take us
over the
top hitters.
This is so interesting.
Number 5 on the list.
Okay.
Carly.
Yes.
Wow!
Love
Which
Carly.
you're wearing. I love Carly, but I felt
2
it
months
was
old.
too new.
Yeah.
to mention.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Number 4, Maisie.
Maisie
Oh.
dress, vintage,
Slightly off the
beautiful.
shoulder. Oh,
Yeah.
gorgeous. Number 3, Esma.
Oh, I just looked at it.
Jersey dress, gathered, very simple, very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Love it.
Number 2, you were so close to saying it's Zadie.
Oh, you
I
just
said
said
you
Zadie.
said
I said
Zadie.
Zadie. Ah, you said it.
I was like,
won't be
no.
Zadie. Number 2. Nice.
Number 1, Penny.
Oh, of course. Penny's number 1
Penny's
with
always
everything.
number 1.
Penny's literally our best-selling everything.
I know, she's wonderful. She's an
Penny's
all-rounder.
gorgeous.
Oh, cool.
That is so interesting. I'm so
Yeah.
happy that Carly's in there.
I love it, and I love there's quite a varied style.
There is actually, because you've got vintage with Maisie, you've got very contemporary with Carly.
Exactly. You've got
that's
smart
that's
Zadie.
the opposite
smart.
dress
Yeah.
as Maisie
Yeah.
and Carly, yeah.
Zadie's smart, Penny's
Classic.
universal,
And
I love
Esma
that.
comfy.
Esma
Esma,
comfy,
yeah.
and Jersey.
All round.
There is a bit of everything.
2 jerseys. That's cool.
There we
I
go.
love that. That's really fun. That's
But-
interesting to know though.
Yeah. Yeah, it is over the years. So we've obviously had a really lovely time hosting VIP Club, if we can call it that.
Yes, yeah, I like
It's
that.
been wonderful to interact with people and to have you on our side, and that's not to say something like this might not pop up in the future, or obviously different ways to be
to
a part
interact
of
and like be
Zoever.
involved in Zoever.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're kind of thinking and planning and cooking something behind the scenes for the future,
Yes.
of ways in which you can still be part of the family, basically, but in the shape of VIP Club. It's time. And of course, if you're a 2024 VIP member, you have, if you haven't used it yet, you have a VIP code to get a free PDF pattern. So you can use that now, actually. You can use it on all the dressmaking patterns.
Including the latest, the Hetty dress.
Exactly, including the Hetty dress. So you can get that completely for free, and you have time to use that code until the end of January 2025. So still fun to be had.
Exactly. Still little perks to be had for
Exactly.
sure. But I think we just wanted to finish to say thank you so much for being a part of PDF Club or VIP Club. It's been amazing. There's still more fun to come.
We're not going anywhere.
Well, no.
And we will see you very soon.
Yeah,
with some
Absolutely.
else.
Bye.